Hello and welcome. This is Design with Lacing. Here again is another new video where I'll be showing you another prompt that you can use to create this style of AI image using the Microsoft Bing image creator. For those that don't know how to use this app, then you're just going to search for Microsoft image creator and tap on the first link you see on your homepage on your web browser. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So it's going to take you to this interface. If you don't have an account, you just have to sign in using your account. All right. So when you go to this interface, this is what you are going to do. You are going to tap on this box, input a prompt. For this prompt, this is the prompt I'll be using for this style of AI images. So here is a prompt, a realistic this and this. All right, I'll tell you where to get this prompt at the end of this video. So watch the video and let's see what comes out of these prompts. Now, after inputting your prompt, what you have to do is to tap on the create button that you see here. When you tap on that, it will start creating, and let's just wait for a few seconds and your image will be created. Okay guys, so see our image has been created. You can see our image, you can see how cool the image is. So let me just open up the image and show you how the image looks like. So you can see how cool this images looks like. Okay, so this is the image. All right, then let me show you how you can edit this prompt. For this prompt, you can simply change, if you are not from Pakistan or if you are from any country of your choice, you're just going to input it, edit this prompt. You can see I said realistic, a 25 years old cute boy wearing Pakistan shirt. So at that point where I said Pakistan shirt, you can put your own country there. Then here where I say with name, you're just going to input your own name there. So let me quickly show you how to do that. So let's say wearing an American shirt with name. So let's say this name we are going to be using George. Then holding the national flag of America. So I hope you are paying attention. You can see how I'm editing this prompt. Flag of America, Happy New Year 2024 will be shown written on the poster above the roadside with balloons and all that. So we have gotten that. Now tap on the create and let's see what comes out of this other prompt that we have just edited. Okay, so and here comes our image. So let me tap on any of this image and show you the real preview of this. So you can see our image, you can see George written on the shirt. You can just see what we have gotten. So you can do this and send it to your loved ones, wishing them Happy New Year. Then to download this image, tap on any of them. Then you tap on these three dots here, select that, and you're going to see the download icon here. Just tap on the download icon and this image will be downloaded into your device. To get this prompt, what you have to do, subscribe to this channel first, then like this video and open the description of this video. You will see the prompt will be written there.